So Hayden, the second round of the series. So tell us a little bit about your car.
It's a Hyundai Excel that we built to run the Hyundai Excel series next year, hopefully. But we're just bringing it out here to get some track time, since we haven't had much track time this year.
Yeah, it's been a strange sort of year with not much happening, but it's a beautiful looking car. Tell us a little bit about what you've done to it.
So we stripped the inside out and everything to put the roll cage in to make it a race car, and we can't do much with the engine, so the engine's all stock and everything. So
how have you found doing this event?
It's really good. Last round it had a lot of fun. So
what's this event as a rally as opposed to a race circuit? What's sort of this been like for you?
It's new. It's very different, but there's a lot of fun, a few tight turns and everything, so it's good. Lots of different stuff everywhere.
So Michael, really good to see Hayden in the car, and you're sitting in the co-driver seat. How's that?
Well, I can tell you I'm a better driver than I am passenger, but being with your son, it makes it a lot of fun and really enjoyable. So it's good to see him out here and enjoying it and getting the experience that he's going to need when he gets involved more in the racing and the things that he wants to do. And look, with this year, he's 15, he's got his CAMS licence, he's come out of karting. All we wanted to do was give him as much track time and experience as we could. And with COVID, it kind of shut us all down. So we've had a few track days at Marulan, and we're doing events like this when we can, and it's all seat time. So the more time he gets in the car, the better it is for him moving forward. So.
And I believe he's done a lot of the work on the car himself.
Yeah, he has done a lot. We get a lot of help from Garth Walden Racing, and in school holidays and things, he's been going down to the workshop. Garth's been good enough to let him go down there and do some work and get some experience, not just on his own car, but help the guys with other cars as well. So that's been really good for him. A lot of the work he's done himself that he may tell you about, I've had to push him to get down the shed and do it, you know. It's because those cars on Xbox, they're already built. They're ready to drive, so I had to say, mate, this one needs a little bit of work.